Alright, fellow Festus, I'm hoping you guys can help me figure out this sound. Alright, here we go. Here's what happens when I jack up the car. Hear it? And at that point, the tire's already in the air. Now, I'm not sure what that noise is. I'm not sure. Maybe one of you guys have experienced this one. Help me out. I'm not sure if that would be the spring. I don't see no leaking in the strut, or maybe that part on top, which I forgot what it's called right now. Well, hopefully one of you guys could give me your input and help me out. When I lower it down, it's the same noise as well. Here, I'll show you again. Alright guys, hopefully one of you guys could help me.